Are you trying to choose between Edward Jones and Fidelity? It can be tough to decide. In this video, we'll compare these two popular investment firms. Both Edward Jones and Fidelity help people invest their money. They offer services like retirement accounts, stocks, and bonds, but they do have different ways of doing things. Let's start with Edward Jones. This firm is known for its personal touch. They have local advisors who work with you one on one. This can be nice if you want advice tailored to your needs. Edward Jones focuses on building relationships and guiding clients through their investment journeys. Now, let's look at Fidelity. Fidelity is more technology driven. They offer a robust online platform for self directed investors. You can trade stocks and manage your portfolio from your computer or smartphone. Fidelity also has many research tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. So, what are the main differences? Edward Jones emphasizes personal service, while Fidelity leans towards technology and self service. If you prefer talking to a person about your investments, Edward Jones might be better for you. But if you like managing your investments online, Fidelity could be a great choice. When it comes to features, both offer retirement accounts and investment options. However, Fidelity provides more advanced tools for active traders. Edward Jones may have fewer online resources but offers a supportive advisor network. In terms of pricing, Edward Jones usually has higher fees due to its personal service. Fidelity, on the other hand, often has lower fees, especially for self directed accounts. In the end, it depends on your uh, style. Choose Edward Jones for personalized help, go for Fidelity if you want to take control of your investments. If you found this comparison useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.